Your body produces growth hormone every single day. But did you know that your sleep, exercise, food timing, and even fasting can influence how much growth hormone your body releases? Today, I'll show you the natural habits that can support healthy growth hormone production without supplements or injections. Number 1, sleep. This may be the most important habit on the list. Growth hormone is released in pulses, and one of the strongest pulses usually happens shortly after falling asleep, especially during deep slow wave sleep. So if you constantly sacrifice your sleep, you're also interfering with one of the body's major natural opportunities for growth hormone release. Number 2, high intensity exercise. Short, intense exercise can stimulate growth hormone release. Research has shown that maximal sprint exercise can produce a significant temporary increase in GH. You don't need to sprint every day. For example, after a proper warm-up, you could perform a few short, high-intensity intervals with adequate recovery. Number 3, resistance training. Strength training is another form of exercise that can stimulate growth hormone release. Focus on large muscle groups and progressive training rather than chasing hormonal spikes. Your goal isn't simply to increase one hormone for a few minutes. Your goal is to build a healthy, strong body. Number 4, fasting. Fasting can increase growth hormone secretion. But here's the important part. A temporary increase in GH doesn't automatically mean more muscle, more height, or better health. Fasting changes several hormones and metabolic pathways, so it should be used intelligently, not as a competition to see how long you can go without food. Here's something people often forget. You can train hard and experiment with fasting, but if your sleep quality is terrible, you're ignoring one of the major regulators of growth hormone secretion. Create a dark, quiet sleeping environment. Keep your sleep schedule consistent and give your body enough time to recover. Your body also needs adequate nutrition. Don't chase a magical food that supposedly boosts GH. Instead, focus on enough protein, micronutrients, healthy fats, carbohydrates appropriate for your activity level, and overall adequate calories. The goal is to support your entire hormonal system, not just one hormone. And here's the biggest mistake: thinking that more growth hormone is always better. Growth hormone is a powerful hormone involved in metabolism, tissue growth, and IGF-1 signaling. You don't need to manipulate it aggressively. If you have symptoms of a real hormone problem, that's something to discuss with a qualified doctor, not something to self-treat with hormones. So if you want to support your body's natural growth hormone rhythm, remember these 5 things. Sleep deeply. Train intensely but intelligently. Use resistance training. Eat and recover properly. And if fasting is appropriate for you, use it responsibly. You don't need a miracle supplement. If you want more evidence-based health and fitness videos, subscribe and follow for the next one.